Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, February 27th. New records were made, but not everybody played. Even the S&P ended up being unchanged, down a quarter of a point at 2110. The high of the session was 2114 and three quarters, which was not new highs that we saw the other day at 2117 and three quarters. So one new day without new highs. Dow futures up 9, 18,203. The leader of the pack was the NASDAQ, up 25 at 44.62 for a 0.5% gain on the session. The dollar was moving to the upside, up 110 points back above 95. 95.34 is where it shot up to yesterday, knocking the euro currency down below the 112 level, 111.99. 111.02 is the low from back in January to keep an eye on. The loss yesterday was 163 points. Bonds were steady, down two ticks at 146.26. The rally stalled yesterday at 147.25, so that's the highest we've been in the past few sessions. Crude oil took it on the chin, down 280, 48.17 for about a 4% loss on the session. The low of the day was 47.80 with that pressure from that strong dollar. Even with that dollar moving upward, gold did rally some, up $9 at 1210, solidly above the 1200 pivot that we'll look for to finish on a weekly basis. So after the mixed action yesterday and new highs in the NASDAQ, where do things stand here on this Friday morning? Well, we're off a little bit. We're down 2 points in the S&P, 2108. We're down 7 in the Dow futures, 18,196. Down 3 in the NASDAQ 100 futures, 44.59. The dollar's giving back 23 ticks after the big surge yesterday, 95.11. And the euro currency up 30 at 112.29 above the 112 pivot. Looking at bonds, we're down 11, 146.14, a little bit more profit taking after the bounce off the highs yesterday. The yield on the 30 years at 2.64, the 10-year notes at 2.04 above that 2% level. Looking at crude, it's up 90 cents at 49.05, looking to see where it wants to finish around that $50 pivot on a weekly end basis. And gold giving back $2 at 12.08. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're down in the stock index futures, down 2 in the S&P, down 7 in the Dow, and down 3 in the NASDAQ 100 futures. I will see you early Monday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.